Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina Swartz, and today I am going to be making a homemade Frito pie. Please make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and let's get started. First, make sure to rinse the beans. Fill your pot a little less than halfway with water. A little bit of olive oil, press manual, and set for 60 minutes on your Instant Pot. Add a little bit of salt and then stir the beans. Now for the red chili. You can find this in the freezer section at your local grocery store. All you have to do is just place it in a saucepan. Make sure to place a lid on top and just wait till it's fully thawed out. After 15 minutes, the red chili is finally done. Now it's time to add some Fritos, and then add some beans. Then add some red chili. And then lastly, top it off with some shredded cheese. You can also add tomatoes, lettuce, or any garnishes of your choice. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. And please make sure to subscribe. You're not going to want to miss this week's next video I am going to be posting. It's on one of the family's favorites desserts of mine. Hope to see you all then. And thanks again for watching.